Would you pay your employee extra to almost make target?
That is an interesting question. And that's a question we are posing to Sports Minister Gaitan ons Baizani McKenzie.
Will you be giving them bonuses?
I must. This team must get a bonus. Yeah, thank you, Minister.
Liza McKenzie has promised an escalating bonus through the knockouts. 5 million for beating South Korea to reach round of 32, and a promised 10 million rand if they beat Canada. That brings back to the question, what was Bafana's target? Could you say they're getting paid for almost making target, but now what was the target?
The player, you're not going to say no to the money.
But do you think they deserve it?
That's where I was getting. No, I don't think they deserve
I
it.
also don't think they deserve it.